Hey guys, welcome to the Vortex. Alright, let me just go to the Twitch channel first, see if we are actually online, because sometimes it shows we are online but it's sometimes not online, so that's why streams got short sometimes, so we don't want that to happen. So we will see if we are actually online. So wait. And yes, we are online. Today is game design day 26. We've come a long way, people. We've come a long way. Alright, Steam info updated, and yeah, that's us. And we have 0 views right now, so nobody's online, but that's fine. We'll find people. Right. So, oh, there's one viewer. Hello, whoever you are. Oh, it's back to 0. Okay, yeah. So, as you guys know, what happened was, as you guys know, the scene got corrupted, the file got corrupted, the main file. So we have already was able to establish most of the code back. So that's what we were able to do. Most of it we got back, so that's no problem. I also have this one, which is our showing this. So now I will today's stream is mostly about creating a today's stream is mostly about creating. It's gonna be making the hide mechanic work, if you get what I mean. So hide mechanic, I want to create, since I already have let's see, let me just create a, I already have a type of, right, where did I put it? Right, and there comes in, and there you go. Right, I already have a doctor, right, be a doctor, so I'm gonna add that in. That one. Right. Doctor. Yeah, there you go. And so this is our doctor. This is the villain for the. This is the villain for the. Where are you? What's it called? Oh wait, no, I haven't imported it. That's my topic. It's importing, it's good, it's importing. So importing means it's importing. If you don't know what it means by now, then I don't know what to say to you, if you get what I mean. Hope you have 2 viewers. Hello 2 viewers. Nice to meet you all. I'm happy that you joined. Yeah. So what we're gonna do today, we have the doctor, right? We already made the doctor, but we had to make him again because stuff happened. If you know, you already know the stuff. I'm not gonna say because it hurts me every time. Where did I put the range? Not there. And guys, also good news. Next stream, you won't have to see my face. You'll see our lovely level designer's face, Ellie, who's gonna be taking point on the next stream. So I hope you guys like her because she's really good at it. She's really good at what she does. Oh, we have 4 viewers. That's the top viewers I ever gotten. Hello, people. Yeah, so she's really good at what she does, and and I hope you guys like her. And where did I put the doctor? Where is the doctor? I literally just had it. Wait, let me see locally. There. There's the plague doctor and oh come on. Why is it supposed to be so that's original plague doctor. That we'll have to mess with that bit, but that's fine, we can do that. What happened to the color? Or this one? Oh wait, that's a better one. This one. That it's probably so you remember why this happens, right? I told you guys why this happens. So this is why what happens when you create a universal random pipeline, then you go like, oh, it doesn't need to be baked, so it needs to be licked. So see, we have a doctor back. That's our doctor, right? And I'm gonna give it let's say a reddish black material. Wait, I already have the material, so I'm gonna just put it in there, right? Good thing we already created it, so we don't need to worry about it. Not this one. Where are you? Reality. Not this one. Not this one. This is empty. Why is it empty? Okay, that's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be empty. But that's fine. We can work with it, that's fine. So that's the animator. It doesn't need an animator currently because I don't have an animator right now. I'm just gonna make it red and give it an enemy script. You guys remember the enemy script, right, that I made already? So this is the enemy script, right? Player is obviously our player capsule. There. Nav mesh agents, I need to give it a nav mesh agent. So nav mesh agent, which is there, and there. Done. Right? This is gonna have that nav mesh agent. I already told you guys this is there. What is ground? What is player? Wait, damn, I forgot that was meant to be doing. It's going to recognize already, but I think I can create another layer. Add layer, which is going to be player and ground. Right, so player caps will obviously get. Oh wait, I have the character one, so I can just use that. I don't need that bit. And there you are. And go back to the doctor. There you are. I already have the character. So oh wait, it's not the ground. That is the ground. So character. There you are. So what is ground? What is player? We already have this, and this is ground mesh, but it doesn't have a layer. So in that case, if it doesn't have a layer, right, and it's a one big ground, yeah, I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna give it a layer called ground, so I need to recognize what is ground, what is player. Also, that also means that we need to add nav mesh. Not there. Where did I keep it? Not there. We need to create empty, which is going to be called nav mesh. Add component and nav mesh. Nav mesh surface. Yep. So now this is there. It will, if I bake it, you guys will see what it looks like. There. It's too big of a nav mesh to be big. Oh wait, no, it's just loading. It's just loading. So now I can see the nav mesh that's there. Oh wait, that's a way big of a nav mesh. That's not meant to be this big. You don't. Wait, where did you get that from? Clear. Nav mesh is just meant to be based on this, but I think it's taking this into account as well. Whatever this is. Take this out. Alright, yeah. So I'm just gonna take that out for now. So now when I base nav mesh, it's gonna look like this. Right? That's our current nav mesh right now. We're gonna work with that. So now this nav mesh, this already says what the player is. layer is there, nav mesh is there. Now that means we'll work on the medieval doctor, which is here. Take doctor, and it already has the script, and we already gave it a nav mesh region, speed 3 4 done. Artist ground, it's gonna be ground and a name ground character, walk point range. I think it's gonna create its own warning. I don't need a warning just yet. Or maybe I do. Yeah, it might not. Oh, what the fake? Oh, okay, wait. I know what that happened. So we have that, so it just needs to work on that. That's fine. Now it's meant to work. It's not gonna. I'm pretty sure the doctor's not gonna move just yet. Yeah, it's not gonna, because that's because it doesn't have a nav mesh. It doesn't have a warning system, which I'm going to create right now. So that comes with canvas. So the canvas is in. So let's say we create, where's the canvas thing? Why can't I see UI? And then we make a text match pro, which comes on the canvas, and it's going to say kidnapper. For now, it's just gonna say that for now, and it's gonna be based on the UI. So wait, it doesn't have. I need to import it. TMP essentials. So now that's it. See that kidnappers and kidnapper lookout. Even I don't want it to look that bad. So currently that's the only thing we need for now. I'm gonna take this out. See, but the thing is, already most of the code is done. So wait, instead of adding that there, I'll add it here. And again, the nav-mesh doctor will also come there. On there. There we go. And warning system comes with text, and walk point range should already be decided. The base offset is 0. I think it's already been decided, but I don't know yet. I need to make sure. And there is an error. Input option for tab. Please set destination. Cannot use it. Activate. There is an activation though. High quality. This one. Did I bake it? I did bake it. Yeah, it's baked. Why is it saying that only we said when the activation has been placed on that mesh? It has been placed on that mesh. There it is. This is already nav mesh. It already has the thing. Why do you say that? Maybe because you and walking about right now, right? We all give everything. Nav mesh surface. That's fine. That's fine. Include layers. I mean, it includes everything, so it's meant to be there. Collectible objects. Don't worry about that currently. I mean, I can try to bake it again, but I need to remove the ground just for now. Nav mesh, bake. There you are. Set destination. You know, you set on the after it's based on nav mesh. But it has been based on nav mesh. Get the ground out. Sorry. There's the nav mesh. Nav mesh surface. There you are, and set destination. Let's try again. Maybe it's stage. No, it's still showing. Let me try something. So, but it is set though, that's the thing. We might need to look at something before. Let me give it something another try. So there we are. Just want to see something. While it's loading, how are you people? How's it going? So today marks our day 26. I mean, obviously we are. Good thing is we are not running behind on the project because luckily we were able to get most of the code in, and since we have a level designer now, who you'll see on Sunday, sorry, not Saturday, it's Sunday. Who you'll see on Sunday. So that way we can create more better levels than you guys think we can. Obviously, better levels, better engagement with the players, because we are growing now, people. We are actually growing. So that's obviously our goal is to keep our audience interact with everything that we possibly can, because obviously we want the audience to come in, increase the engagement, and make sure they give ideas, because it is the gaming is about people. If people are don't like not liking the game, then what's the point of making the games? That's the whole point. And so that's why we want to create something that is for the people. Like we are just giving you the concept and the story, but we want you guys to be the main part of what we are doing. Right, I think it's just loading up, and I can, yeah, it might take some time, but let's see. Set decision can only be performed when an active agent has been placed on the nav mesh, but it has been placed on the nav mesh, which is right there. Include layers, ground, vortex, it's doing everything, nav mesh data, clear. It has the nav mesh agent, it's there, agent is there, humanoid, walkable, base offset 0, high quality, area mask, everything. Why is it showing? Show nav mesh, ground capture, what is there? It's already guessing it. Walk point 1, 2, attack range 5, sight range 7, warning. Alright, so let me try this. Why is it saying that though? Okay, so it is looking for something, right? But it's not moving, and it's definitely finding me, but it's not moving. So navigation, humanoid, open these settings. What the fuck is going on with my laptop? Right. So it's saying that is happening, right? Set destination can only be called on an active agent that has been placed on the nav mesh. That's right. And I'm not arguing with that. Except I already have the nav mesh agent that has been placed on the active nav mesh surface. It's right there. You have been placed. Wait, I think it might be a humanoid walkable. Yeah, that's right. Humanoid walkable, that's right. And we call it there. Or do I need to place it on the ground? If I make you add navmesh surface right there and thank you. I don't know if it's that gonna work, but it might create some kind of problem. No, let's try. Let me try something. Let me try this first, because I think it might something to do with that. Yep, that's not it. Go back. Come on, open already. I'm waiting for something to open because I think I know what the problem is. Okay. Ah, you back. Look at these people. The cat is back. And she's trying to hurt me, but that's it. I'll just take her somewhere. I'll just, we, we. Cat is safe and sound, people. It's still loading. Okay, let me just look at the code. Set destination can only be set. Set destination can only be set. Yeah. Uh, oh, it sometimes doesn't register the position quite right. So if I just take this move here, maybe it will register in bedroom. Nope, it's not registering. Set destination can only be placed on an active agent has been placed on an app mesh. It has been placed on an app mesh though. So I don't know why is it saying it. Alright, window, and we meant to go navigation. But we don't have anything called that. Oh, there you are, navigation. Yeah, there you are. You know, areas. Yeah, but that's the thing, you are there. Where's the ground again? That's the ground mesh, right? You have the actual ground there, which is going to be just off for now. So once I do the nav mesh, which is there, break, agents is there, not walkable is built there, jump is fine. So that's the original surface, and it's been baked. You can see it's been baked right there. And now if I make the ground available again, which is there, the base one, it's there. Still saying set destination can only be active when an app mesh has been placed. I get it, but that's the thing. It has been placed there. So why is it saying that it's not? I just need to take a look at one of my old. Maybe okay. Maybe I can take a look at one of these things and I can see. Mm, Window AI navigation object. Click the navigation stack and click bake and click it. Let me see again. Agents, there you are, humanoid, new agent. I don't know the new agent currently. Humanoid is right there. Humanoid knocks locally generated from some distance. That's fine. Area, built in there, not walkable, built in this one, walkable. Jump, okay. So if I there, where's my approach? I get there and I go for walk, not walkable one. It's gonna be set on fake. Walkable there, fake. That's the original bake, and that's creating not right there. Okay. Now, since it has that, how long is it gonna take to load? It's taking way too long to load, which is not supposed to be happening. So, alright, let's take a look at it again. We have an AppMesh surface, which is there, right? It's a humanoid, done. And all collect object, no need to worry about that. Include layers, ground, it covers the ground, it covers the other than the ground, it covers everything that's meant to be on the ground. Right. And if I give it a ground, which is this one, ground mesh, let's just keep it at ground, even that. Ground mesh is ground, right? If I give it that, oh wait, shit, it's gonna fall. Yeah, I'm gonna fall anyway. Oh my god, don't fall! So, let's keep this one by one. You have an AppMesh, but you're saying you don't have an AppMesh. That's weird, because you have a set destination, which is right there. Set destination is right there, an AppMesh surface is right there, humanoid, walkable, render method, use geometry, this is clear and cut, right? And it comes to a medieval doctor. It's right there. Oh, it's opening. Alright, I can see. I know. Maybe let me go back. Let me just see. Maybe it's the coding bit or something, but let me, I just want to see something. No need for that, and comes the medieval doctor, which is right there. Nav mesh agents, where's the nav mesh? It's right there. Nav mesh surface. Yeah. It's the same fucking thing. I'm not wrong. You don't have a scope. Platform. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Nav mesh agent, area mask, authoring for pathfinding, nav mesh. There's the nav mesh, render mesh is walkable, nav mesh surface is right there. Which access right there, that's fine. Use area, walkable, render meshes, that's fine. Check collection. It's the same fucking thing, then why is it saying that it doesn't exist? Why are you doing this? You have a nav mesh agent. That is the weirdest fucking thing, because it does have a nav mesh agent. I already gave it a nav mesh agent. Interesting. It's very interesting. Let's talk about why is it interesting. So, it's saying the set destination can only be set when an active agent has been placed on the nav mesh surface, right? Fair enough. I get it. So active agent is meant to be placed on the nav mesh surface, which is our active agent is this one. medieval doctor. It's an active agent, so which is based. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I got it. Let's get the ground up back in a minute. No, I don't think that's it, but let me just see. Yay! Got it. So, I got it. Fuck me. I just sometimes I just think like, why? Sometimes it's just like, no. Like, you get what I mean, right? No. Like, sometimes the things are just so stupid that you don't even see them. But why is it stupid? If you get what I mean. So, you got a doctor, which is right there. And doctor goes there. Just gonna place him here. For now. Chasing, attacking, let's save that for later. So now what we are going to do, since we've got a working doctor who's chasing us actively, we are going to look for places to hide. So if I create a box collider, I give it another box collider, nothing. And if I go like box collider, and I'm going to name that one edit collider. Okay, let's see edit collider. No, I can't give it another box collider, but what I can do is, so main problem that will occur if I don't give it a box collider is because it will go inside the thing, and since I want to create a trigger, it's going like, oh wait, you can walk through this. What I will do is create this, rotate this, get it in here, like here and there, and I will mix it together. So if player goes behind this, which is the box collider, and I'm gonna get this box collider trigger. I'm gonna name it rather than box prefab, I'm gonna name it hide underscore box. Right. So if player goes there behind the trigger and enemies can't chase you, that's gonna be the original bit of the code, right? Now I'm gonna show you how the coding part of this will work. It's kind of a weird one because we need to look at the enemy script for this. So we have a attacking bit, we have a ground bit, we have a crouch bit. So we will need to make it as we have a crouch now. So there's the crouch button, right? Wait, now I created a different one, right? Do I have the... I don't know what's going on. Air capsule, no, I have a ground check, I don't have a crouch one. We don't need an official crouch one, that's fine. Because we changed last time, people, if you remember. If you don't, that's fine as well, because we are people who learn from our mistakes. So, private wide awake. Why is it saying that it's fine, don't worry. Nothing to worry about, that's fine. So what we will do is, we have an official crouching mechanic, which is based on our which is yes, okay. We have a crouch action, which is based on a new impact action mode, as you guys remember from the last time. That's fine as well. So basically what crouch is meant to do is, when you're behind an object, what we will say is, when you're behind in a hide box underscore box. So this way we will need to create a boxing trigger. So it's a simple one, not that hard of a one. We will go like, if let's say collider dot tag, wait, that wasn't the code. I'm very wrong. Box collider, wait, box collider tag code name. Yeah, there. Yeah, so it's gonna be simple one. Private void on collision uh, on collision. Let's say stay. We need to stay in the on collision. So if collision dot game object name is equal to player, not the player, we already have a player. No, non-object is hide underscore box, right? Then we will need to reference to the enemy script, and if it's chasing, so if chasing is set active true, that's when we will create a yeah, we already have access to navmesh player right there. So enemies, we should have an access to an enemy script right here. We should, we always, even if we don't, we can create one. So public, enemy script, no enemy named enemy, simple as that, simple. Then I would want you to check, when I want it to check is hide box, then it's gonna check if enemy, where are you? What that? Oh, I named it Emily. I named it Emily. Emily. Okay. What? Why would I do that? But okay. Oh, we have 4 years. Hello. Highest yet. Yay. If you have enemy, Emily, for now, enemy, and it's gonna check if enemy dot chasing is set active true. So dot chasing. But chasing will need to be public on the other side as well. So it's a private void. We don't want it to be private, we want it to be public now, because since you're going to be calling it from the other side now. So in enemy dot chasing and true, then, and that's not the code, I'm pretty sure, but I know it. And yeah, that's not the code. There, and if enemy dot chasing, and nope, that's not gonna be it. That's not gonna be it. I need to take a look at it actually. I'm not even gonna lie. Give me 1 second. JetBrains. Oh, we just gained a follower. Nice. Hello to whoever you are. I'm very happy that you are here. Thank you for joining us. Let me take a look at something. There we go. So we have this. So we are creating a So what our initial idea will be, we will create enemy. Well, so if enemy is chasing, let's say we got an enemy chasing, right? It's gonna be right there. Wait, let me take a look at the enemy scope first. Give me 1 second, guys. And if enemy is chasing, not there. Let me take a look. 1 second. So if enemy is chasing, and do we want it to be enemy chasing, or even if enemy is patrolling and it's close by? Let's I don't know if you should keep it at chasing, because if it's chasing, then it should chase you, not. Oh, we have 6 years. Damn. How did we, wait? What? Really? Nice. That's our highest yet. Right, guys. What I was explaining. When we have an enemy chasing, let's say, so if enemy is chasing. No, let's say patrolling. Rather than chasing, we say patrolling. If enemy is patrolling, and player is behind the box, is in collision with the box. Then chasing should not be available for the player, for the enemy. Right, that's the basics of it. So what we will do now is create a script, not there. It doesn't need to be another script. You can just mention it on one script and make it connect with the other script. If you get what I mean. I'll show you what we're gonna work on currently. First of all, I'm gonna change the name because I don't like. It's gonna be enemy, not enemy. I don't even know. Let me. Right. Let's make the code happen. So let's take a look at it first. So we have enemies. Let's take a look at the enemies group first. Should I create another transform for the player? We already have it. Wait, what is a player name? Wait, I'm thinking one thing. What is a player named? It's tag player. So do I need to name it as? Okay, give me one second. Let me try something. So if I create a public reference, not to the player, to the player controller, not public, it should be private actually. Player controller, which is, do I have a player controller? I should have. Oh wait, is it character controller? Character controller, which is going to be named, obviously, character controller. Okay. And character controller equal to player dot component. Character controller. Run. Alright, nice. So if that's happening, what I can do is let's create a player. Right, so hey, Manav, hello. Don't say Vedu. Pagal again. Alright, let's say we have a character controller. If we have a reference to a character controller, we will have a reference to attacking. Yeah, give me one second. So if you have attacking, which is right here. Position, transform, look at there. Okay, so we have a transform first person. Is attacking true? Alright, I've got people looking at me and they're sending me that they're actually looking at me. Thank you for looking at her first of all. And if you can, I'll give you £10 each if you can tell what I'm doing right now. It's for my friends, so £10 each. Now ball up. Ball. I need to think for a second, wait. Right, let me create a public who is hiding first. My chat is messed up apparently. I'll fix that. Right. You know what? Let's get this in first. So if I create a public bool which is going in hiding, let's say is hiding, that's for now, is hiding, and which is also gonna be, no, it's gonna be get private, so that's fine. And also in that case I will also need to create a collision state which is also like, which is already made over right there, so is hiding becomes true, right? And collision hide box, so is hiding equal to true. And this obviously we have let's say if we have a Red Bull, right? Private void on collision exit, let's say for now. If collision dot give object obviously underscore hide box and mother hide underscore box, and so, and in that case, not that, I can't see it. I can't look at the chats and is hiding becomes false, right? And so we have a reference to enemy script which is going to be hide box. So if I'm under hide box, attacking goes head change to destination, right? So if hide box, then attacking should become false. You know what, first I want to see the actually references work to the player controller, but let me see at the I need to see the enemy script first as well. What the fuck? Look at what they're sending me. I'm busy.
I don't think he's speaking English anymore. I don't understand anything he says.
What? Stop sending me. I'm busy. Mother joke. Okay. I'm looking at it, but it's just let me see if it's identifying. That's the main question. If it's identifying first that it's a player controller, character controller, so it should technically show me the work. Where is our doctor? There you are. So if I'm hiding behind kidnapper lookout, and if I'm hiding right here, then should, oh, it's still here. Look at, hey. Alright. Why was he looking at me like okay. we have the fucking player looking for it. Alright, technically hide should not be possible. Base range range, that's something for later. So I'm gonna take a look at the code. Wait, is so when the player when the player is in the hide box trigger, hide box collider, then player should not enemy should not be able to chase or even attack. Let's say even attack. So this can only patrol when player is in hide box collider. Yeah, I think I will need to create different changes for the state rather than looking it up like that. Let's say, where's my update? Yeah, update prime site. That's fine. If that's for later. If okay, if let's say if player controller, no wait, if character controller, not player controller, I get it wrong again, is hiding, which is character controller is hiding, so it should be there. Why is it not there? Is it not public? I made it public. Did I not make it public? It's in public. Maybe I should not name it character controller. Is hiding. Can I find it? Is hiding. No, I can't. Okay. If let's say if player dot is hiding, player do have a reference to player, right? Transfer player character controller, private character controller, character controller. Oh wait, it's referring to the. How can wait? Why did I do that? First person controller. There you are. Yeah, I know. Give me 1 second, quickly. First person controller. There we are. So once I reference the first person controller, which is right there. So if first person controller dot is hiding, it's not that GTA is not meant to this name to be. Character controller dot is hiding, which is right there, is hiding, then case state, which states comes into place, which is basically our states, right? We're gonna put it here. Done. Now we're creating an else statement. So if the player is actually hiding, which is right there, we will say that if, and then we will check if state is equal to AI state dot chasing slash also wait no wait, yeah, state is equal to AI state attacking. So if it's attacking or chasing, then state goes back to patrolling. AI state, but it's going to go back to patrolling, which is right there. Right, and which also comes into play. And also gonna, just for the safe side, I'm gonna say start patrolling as well, because why not? Start patrolling. Then also maybe need to create a reference. Do I need to create another reference? Let me see. Oh, hello Al. Yeah, thank you so much. So, I don't think I've told you guys how the actual random programming and patrolling works actually. So, we have an app mesh agent, right? We have an app mesh agent, works, done, right? An app mesh agent, so once it as the game starts, it will go awake, which is right here. Get entered in the app mesh agent. It also say start patrolling, but that's for later. Start patrolling. So it creates a walk point range, which is 5 to between 25. The walk point range basically means it gets a random point on the app mesh. So it creates a raycast of its own. Raycast is basically a laser going like. So once the laser goes, then it creates like. Then the laser goes, and once it creates basically a showing thing like there's a laser. That's how far the laser goes. And that's how far the laser goes, it can only be like, and it can only walk towards that point. Basically, that's the basic points of the nav mesh. So agent of set destination, it creates a walk point of its own, and patrolling starts. Patrolling inside. Then if it's gonna check, then if the player is inside. So if player's inside, and you can see right there, if I create the player inside, it's right there. Let me see if I can make the chase work. Kidnapper where's the kidnapper? Hey, where are you? There you go. So, right. And if I go right there, it should go back to patrolling. Go back to patrolling. Oh wait, no. I need to crouch. Hey, why are you? Why don't look at me like that? Stop looking at me like that. Can you? Wait, I'm on the same one. I'm on the right one. Oh wait, maybe I named it wrong. What's the box? The name of the box? Oh yeah, I named it wrong. I knew it. It's hide underscore box. So, let's say the kidnapper is, let's say the first say the kidnapper is there, right? And if I go and run, goes back to patrolling if I'm not wrong. Go back to patrolling. Oh, wait. First of all, why didn't I do this before? Kidnapper is a bad dude, right? So I'm gonna make it red. Let's change silver. That's fine. So I can actually take a look at it. It's actually working. So there's the kidnapper, as you can see. Look at me. There. Run. I'm here, and still looking at me. Are you still looking at me? Yes, you're still looking at me. Vision side attacking. It's attacking me actually. Not even looking at me. It's actually physically attacking me. Still, like, let's take a look. It should go back to patrolling since the patrolling, maybe it's because of the site. It's all automatically. Maybe I can start a coroutine where sight actually goes to 0. Sight range and the attacking range actually goes to 0 for a couple of seconds. So for the hiding, we can create a coroutine where sight range and attacking range goes to 0 a couple of for like, well, let's say 3 seconds. 3 seconds. For like 3 seconds, and you can share the site range and triangles like 2 3 seconds. Then goes back to normal patrolling. What should we create as, okay, either we can do, there's two options that we can do, right? First one is create an enemy. No, actually you guys let me know how you should want it. First option is we create an enemy, and if it's chasing you and it's attacking you and then you go behind the object, it can't chase you, attack you no more. That's the first option. Or the second option is, if I can give the player a type of sight range, but it already has a type of sight range which is called our paravision, right? We have a paravision already which can see where the enemies are in the reality world. That's the straight up fantasy world. You can't see where the enemies are. You will have to do it on your own. So there's two options. First one, enemy, and if its player can see where the enemies are first, and if enemy is coming closer to you, I can decrease the sight range. And if enemy is coming closer to you, and if you're hiding, and if enemy is closer to you, then chasing and patrolling is not possible. That's the second one. Which one do you think we should do? Chasing you, then hide, or hiding, not being able to chase? I need to ask you guys, what do you think should be the case? Because I can do both codes, so I mean it's me. I can. So, what do you think? Any ideas, people? Right, what we're gonna do, what I think we should do, keep the from hiding and chasing. If you're chasing, then can you hide? I don't think that should be physically possible. Like, if enemy already saw you hiding there, then what's the point of you hiding there? So if I'm patrolling, okay, what I'll do? No. Let's change the approach. Then, if crouch is true, is active, and is hiding is true, then enemy sight range and attack range goes to 0 for as long as the collision is active. Once it's out of the trigger box, there it's out the trigger box, enemy sight range and attack range goes back to normal. That's what I'm gonna do. I need to create a different approach actually. Rather than just hiding or true hiding, I'm gonna create let's say first let's create it on the first person script rather using that script. So we have public, we will create a crouch mechanic which is crouch is related. I keep the crouch one. Crouch related head lock application, that's fine. We will create a public bool saying is crouching. Right now is crouching. Bloody crouching! That was the most British thing I ever said. Get private set, done. Right? Then we already have a public bool which is called hiding. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it here for now. Done. Get private set. Okay. So if collision on so if collision on state hide box, then is hiding becomes true. Is and then it's gonna check if is crouching. So if it's crouching, then if collision dot game object collision dot game object dot try get component enemy script enemy script ouch ER. It's not that type of ER, guys, trust me. Enemy. Then I'll call enemy script again, not this one, enemy, and that will give an error reference to enemy, which is there, right? I'll need to create a coroutine on the enemy script, which is there. I'll need to create a public illuminator. I'm just gonna call it handle air hiding for now. It's just gonna check, right? It's gonna check the sight range, which goes 0. Attack range, it's gonna go 0. Done. State, it's called AI state, and we will not call it patrolling. We will call it chase patrolling. We will call it patrolling. I know. Give me 1 second. Okay. While character controller is hiding, we'll return null. That's good. And I also have I will also need to, if I do that, I will also need to create a public void, public void to restore the attack inside range. Wait, I also might need to create, yeah, okay. I need to create a float as well, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Private float. and I'm gonna name it original site, and also gonna name another one which is gonna be original attack. Let's see. Alright, so if I have that, then yeah, that's fine. And if I have that, then I should be able to make a start reference, which is, where is my start? Yeah. So original site. Oh, where is the? Didn't it? Yeah, original site. Go to site range and original attack. Equal to attack range. So now it has. So now it has the reference to the attack range and the site range, right? So now if I go back to my restore range, which is there, I have the restore range. Then site range goes is equal to original at site, and attack range goes to original not site attack. Done. So now I can create a real attack that is called, and then if yield return is null, then I can create a I can original, what did I call it, restore range, and I can make that active, right? And I think that would be enough for the enemy script. Let me go back to the player script now. So if I'm impolizing an enemy script, that's okay. Why is it saying that? I already have reference to it. Yeah, maybe I do. Yeah, I already have it. Maybe I can't name it enemy. I need to name it what? Nope. Wait, give me 1 second. What did I do? Build start. What build? Something's happening and I don't know what. They were build obviously they were build errors because no. I haven't even made the build yet. How are you even getting me to build it? Fucker. Yeah. So if I have the enemy script, which is called enemy script, and I'm gonna name it don't know, okay. Right. Then I will create a start routine enemy dot handle and if they're hiding, and it goes to true. I don't see why this is saying an error. No, I don't get it. Why is it saying it? Oh wait, I can't name it that. Oh, where is it? That's not that one. I got the problem. Name it so did I keep the reference to enemy? There we are. Enemy script is gonna put in enemy script. Now the problem will solve itself. Yeah, I know, I left him. 1 second. Enemy script. It's there. Yeah. Now that's done. Now on the on collision exit, if hard colliding is false, then now I will create a reference to enemy script, and I'm gonna say then it's gonna check restore range and done. So now if the enemy is patrolling, let's keep it somewhat near me, like right here, right. Place patrolling, and I go right there. Should not be able to find. Oh, it is not even close to me, but let me see what their attack. I can actually see their attack on the side range on it. If I'm there and I'm crouching, it's right there. They find me. How did they find me? But I'm crouching. Where are you? Yeah. How did they find me? Or maybe I need to create. Oh wait, yeah. Maybe what I can do is to simplify this. Keep my rather than making the attack range and side range public, I keep them private. So that way I can actually control it from behind the scenes. Where's the side range reference? Right, where's the side range? Where's the reference for side range? I can't be. Control plus F, side range. Okay, I'm gonna keep the side range to equal to 5, and attack range to attack range to 3 for now. So now it already knows what the attack and side range is, rather than calling them onwards to the player. So if I go like this and crouch behind this, let me see. Then crouch and side. Wait, let me stop moving, right? And if I go back, then it should not be coming. Oh, it's coming. Alright, so that way it creates a side range which goes. So side range goes to. Wait, maybe it was a glitch. Let me just double check. Maybe it was a glitch. And I'm crouching. Don't attack, and I'm gonna see where I'm on the scene. There's. See, there, chasing, but if I want to. Side range goes to 0. Wait, I'm gonna double check. It might be working actually. For me to double check it, what I'm gonna do is, since you're on the waypoint range, I already have you on the hand slide range, right? I'm gonna print I am hiding. So I wanna see if it actually gets activated. it's not getting activated. I think we can make something up. We do have a start of the code, so we can keep working with that. But I think that's, guys, that's gonna be enough for today. I will obviously like to thank you for joining, and we will see you next stream. But cheers, guys, and we will fix the hiding bit on the next stream. Probably no, not the next stream. Oh yeah, guys, next stream is with Elle. She's a level designer, so I hope you guys like her a lot. She's very sweet, so you guys will enjoy with her, and we'll take a look at the hiding mechanic next time when we are together during the next Wednesday. Bye guys, see ya, bye.